Welcome to SolidWorks exercise. Practice, make improvement. Today we are going to draw this component here, this part here. Follow me step by step so that you can learn how to draw this and you can practice yourself. Okay? Stay with me from the beginning till the end. Thank you. New part. Okay. We are going to draw this component here, so we are going to, so for this part we are going to start with this one, 50, 40, and the radius here is 20, and here the hole is 20 diameter, thickness is 30. So we are going to draw this and extrude by 30. And for SolidWorks, this is a light view, light plane. Okay, so we're going to select light plane, bring it to normal. Then features, click extruded boss, rectangle. Smart dimension. This is 50. This here is 40. Take a circle. This radius is 20. Take another circle. Smart dimension. This is 20. The diameter is 20. This diameter is 20. Okay. Then this one you delete. Then you go to trim entities. You trim this one. Okay. After finishing here, we exit the sketch. So you can extrude this by 30. Okay. Then after having this, we are going to extrude this cylinder here. So the radius is 30 and the height is 70. From here to this is 70. Okay, so you come to this view here, then you click extruded boss, you select a circle, this center, smart dimension, it is 60, 30 times 2. Okay, then you exit the sketch, you extrude it by how much? To this direction by how much? It is 70. Okay, so now we are here, then we are going to extrude this by how much? By 8. Extrude this, the radius, the diameter is 8, we extrude it by 15. So we click this surface, then extrude boss, draw draw circle. Smart dimension is 8. 8. Okay. And exit the sketch. This direction. By how much? By 15. 15. Okay. Okay. Then after having this, we are going now to extrude this. So you can see the distance from the center here to here is 85. The distance from here to here is 15. So from here to here is 15 plus 85, we get 100. And here to here is 8, 60. It's 60. And the thickness here is 12. So we are going to draw a rectangle of 100, and this we extrude it up by 12. Okay, so we go to this side, then extrude both rectangle from this side, this one to this, from this side. The smart dimension, this one here is 100, 100, and this one here is 60. Okay. Okay. Then we exit the sketch. Exit the sketch. We are going to extrude it this direction by how much? By 12. 12. Okay. Yes. Now we are here. So then we are going to cut this hole here, which is 40. Diameter is 40. And also this shape here, which is 20. And from here to here is 15. Okay. Okay. So we go to this surface. You click extruded cut. Okay. Take a circle. Okay. And come here, take a slot from this center here. Okay. And take a line from this to this. Then smart dimension. This one here is 40. 40 diameter. And this here is 15. 15. And this is 20. Is 20. 20. Okay. Okay, is 20. Is 20. Okay, okay. Then we go to trim entities. We trim this one. Okay, okay. So now you have this shape and you have this. So you exit the sketch. extrude through all, to extrude through all. Okay, okay. So now we have component here. So we are going to edit the appearance of this hole, this cut. Edit the appearance, surface, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Each color, this one. Okay. Yeah, now it's okay. 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 Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.